Bwf Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. Bwf Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
Thank you, God, for these promises that you will never leave us, you will never forsake us. No crack or your yarisafo or ye adie yin ya seno or to me a yen ye. Mema obibia mache depending baby awo mema wa ha ana mema majo nyame nhyira obibiara odi ne fidie ato GN radio na andope otie ye maye kara otie ye no kre ye de yensem no eba me cheche obibia. Very good morning to you or wherever you are, depending on your location. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Today, the 12th of March 2021, we are counting just 3 months already. Okay, mesremo say Obaswa no abomoden na wa share program no amaye. Aha GM radio, you may dia ye babedi legal hour. Yene Bwf Solicitors for ya kan bom na you may di ebremu. Munim say efiade bia ye ba ma kwan na ye di edwume ebremu wo baby biara mo wo. Enenso nyame adom wa man wadom yen ene ahoden nti assign aba mokwan biom na yemfa sa adwumedi embra ene menua bema penimu ewa ha lawyer Francis ewa ha say na oni ebeko nkyerkyere a ene yede ebre makwan mesremo me da so ebom nka yese mon share program no na ekwechichi ma ene program na ebe me de pa in the sense topic aye be minim se ebeboa dodo na yenuanum dodo na omo pesku ko ana so mako school kromu ha ana se afempo no mo pese omo be school wa ha no ebeboa mo enti no mun share na nkwechi se ne amunyem no yebedi kan aka brofo in the next me say 20 minutes introduction of the topic, Just after the introduction of the topic, I'll be asking Lawyer Francis some few questions, and then just after that, we'll change again into our local language. Please just share the program. This is GM Radio. You are listening to Legal Hour with Bwf Solicitors. It's been a pleasure, it's been a privilege coming your way. My name is simply MANYE NAA TEÄ. When you call me MANYE team, I salute you. yɛbɛkɔ ahoma ne so ɛnkyɛ biara ahoma a ɛdidi dwuma no sɛnea ɛteɛ no ɛnsesaeɛ na mmom ɛnɛ baako bi na ɛyɛ a na mede ka ho ɛyɛ 075 no ɛnɛ ahoma a yɛde sɔ so no ɛm sɛ obi atam ɛfiri ha by mistake nti no mentumi ɛnkɔnɛte ɛno nti numbers mmiɛnsa ɛna yɛde bɛdi dwuma no ɛyɛ 0203735820 no ɛne 0203286018 and I am normal WhatsApp line na 07787939958 no mesremo eni die mu se ye be ya obi frɛ da na ma no na manfa ankoba ne se obedwen se me na mempe se mefa enti no ye mre ne kɔ. Good morning, Lawyer Francis. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, MANYE T. Opo
nyame adom ni ahwe ye me ho ye pa na mpacha won so
nyame adom ene mompaibo ena se na oye no dani de nyina no asida na ese de manom
nyame ase. Okay, Lawyer Francis, Mr. I've already spent 10 minutes of our time and I'm not going to spend more time, let me put it that way, waste more time, because we have a lot of callers waiting for us to bring in their questions. So what are we going to talk about? I believe is going to help a lot of people out there. The topic that we want to discuss today, actually, I know it's about student visa and how they can be able to work after they graduated from their course, or they graduated on the course that they are pursuing. So let's go straight to the point. I'll give you the chance to greet your listeners, also your viewers also, and then you introduce us into the topic. Thank you very much, Lawyer Francis.
Thank you very much, MANYE T, for giving me this platform to educate our listeners, our viewers, wherever they find themselves are. I would like to say a very good morning to whoever listening watching, and if your place is in the night, to greet you upon which day, night, afternoon, wherever you find yourself. What we've got for today is an interesting topic, and it has been an issue going on since a few years back. And it's about time the government has to introduce this graduate visa scheme in such a way that it will help our brothers who are international students in this country upon their completion of their course. What steps or what things are ahead of them, or what if they want to stay in this country to pursue further experience, work experience, what sort of achievement, or can they get this opportunity? And thank God, being the 3rd of March, the Chancellor, upon his budget, raised this issue that they are going to support this scheme, which has been already introduced by the Minister of Immigration, being Kevin Foster. So we can say it's a good opportunity for those yet to be graduated after 1st of July 2021, in the sense that they said the program is going to take effect from 1st of July 2021. Okay, let's look at what the program is all about. When we look at our system of education in UK here, if you are international student, first step, what you have to do is you have to acquire your student visa under the Tier 4 before coming to enroll in the program here, being your studies. So this is a route whereby you can use to come and study your undergraduate, postgraduate, your doctorate in UK here. So as such, all the time, the first question the student will ask is, does my student visa lead to settlement? And the answer is obvious, being no. As the UK government initially was expecting you, after your course, you go back to your country. and help build your country. But since the Conservative government took over the administration of UK economy, they realized that, no, it's about time we have to encourage the skilled, brilliant student in this country, being the graduate after they've completed their course. So they thought it twice and sat down and realized that, okay, let's come with a program, or let's come into some sort of one of the appendices which will attract more graduates to build the UK economy. And behold, they've able to introduce this graduate visa scheme, which is coming to take effect on the 1st of July 2021. So someone will ask and say, okay, I know this scheme or this visa is coming effect on 1st of July 2021. So I will find out what are the requirements do I have to meet in order to get this visa. So we're going to go through the requirements one after the other. And when you look at it, the requirement says that you have to be a successful completion of your degree course in UK year in order to be eligible for that. So before you want to apply for this course, the first stage is make sure you have completed your graduate course or your postgraduate course. The other one is you have to study at a higher education provider, which is the student sponsor. You have to be on, let's say, undergraduate, postgraduate, higher institution, if I may put it that way. Tertiary institution, if I may put it that way. So you have to be in this institution in order to apply after your completion. The other one is you have to at least be on a minimum period of your time on your course. But this would depend on the sort of course you are offering, and being undergraduate or being a postgraduate. Some course lasts for 3 years, some course lasts for 4 years, and some course 2 years. So after your completion of all these courses, you have to let them know that I have completed these courses. And just, it shouldn't be just I've completed it with your certificate as well. You are someone who go, but you couldn't finish and even couldn't get a certificate as well. So they're looking at upon all these things as well. So the next one I will say is that this one goes for the postgraduate or the doctorate level, that they're expecting you at least you have your doctorate qualification in order to apply for that. And what they look at it as, it's always playing part of when we talk about immigration issues, being the suitability requirement. Because that one is also looking at how you perform your behavior, your attitude in this country whilst you are enrolling or whilst you are embarking on your graduate or postgraduate course. So all these things are part of the package or the eligibility that entails you to apply for this graduate visa application. Let's go to the courses or the eligible, I think I'll talk about the courses in this case. Yeah, so we're going to look at the minimum study period. Also, I think I've talked about that one as well. Depending on the course you are offering, you might get about 2 years, 3 years course undergraduate, or postgraduate 3 years, depending on the time frame. And the doctorate to 3 years and others. So these are the things they look at it and make sure that you have this requirement in order to make the application. So on that basis, I can say, if you can say that I've been here, enrolled to university, I finished my university, and I've got my certificate, and I'm not some sort of person who have committed any crime or been on a bad behavior, If you can demonstrate all these things, you can make the application for the graduate visa scheme application, which is coming on the 1st of July 2021. In this case, someone will ask, what's all about the graduate? How does it work? What they are saying is, if you apply for it, and let's say you've completed your graduate, your degree, first degree, or postgraduate, or master's, you are entitled to 2 years visa. This 2 years visa, you don't need a sponsor. Let me be a caution on that side. You don't need a sponsor to apply for the graduate visa scheme. On the other hand, if you have completed your doctorate, they are saying they're going to give you, and you apply for the graduate visa scheme application, they are going to give you 3 years. So the difference between the graduate, master's, postgraduate, and the doctorate is that the graduate, postgraduate, masters have 2 years when they apply for the graduate visa, and the doctorate have 3 years. And as I said to you, this does not lead to settlement, because I have to be cautious on that. But the secret behind this is that once you are here on the 2 years, if you are at the graduate, postgraduate level, you can switch to other route that will lead you to settlement. And which routes do you think might lead you to settlement? Routes like the skilled worker route, also the global talent route, innovator route, and others. As long as you meet those requirements, let's talk about the skilled worker route. If you can get a sponsor who can issue you licenses, as we talked beginning of this year, follow through the procedure, the sponsor can help you to switch from the graduate visa route to the skilled worker route. So likewise, the doctorate as well. Once you are on your graduate visa program here, 3 years, and you're able to get a sponsor, you can also switch to any of the other routes that might lead you to settlement. So on that note, there is a great opportunity for our students who are yet to be graduated in this country. In order, if there is their plan to live into UK for after the completion of their course, they have the opportunity to engage with the employer, and if the employer is ready to sponsor you, can offer you a job, meet all the criteria the Home Office are looking for, you can get a visa or you can get a leave that will lead you to settlement. So on that note, let's look at a situation whereby you have a dependent as well. Whatever they've done, the system is, if you apply or deal or you want the graduate visa application, visa, and you stated that I've got a dependent, definitely they will add the dependent to your application as well. But you do the same application on different form by letting them know that I am linked with the dependent. So hopefully they will show the relationship and what sort of link do you have with the dependent. So if you're able to do that, the dependent as well will also get the visa. So what I can say is, for now, MANYE about the graduate visa application scheme, it is a good opportunity for our brothers from the international scene, being a student here, that if they want to settle in UK here, there is opportunity for them. By going through the graduate visa application and switching to other routes like the skilled worker visa route, innovator, global talent, and others that might lead you into settlement.
Okay.
So in summary, I can say that this opportunity, I don't want our brothers who are students are yet to complete their course to let it slip by. Even it will help you after your graduation to get work experience. And I think the motive behind it by the government is they want you, after your graduation in UK here, get an experience. And if you don't want to stay here and you want to go back to your country, you can utilize to help your mother country. MANYE T, this is what I would like to end with the topic for today. And I hope there are more questions for me to go through. Back to you, MANYE T.
Thank you, Lawyer Francis. In fact, I like the way you've really elaborated all the types that we need to know about students graduating in this country, and then how they can get extended visa to work. Because I know before, I mean, even up to now, because this new thing is coming from July, isn't it? So
yes, it is.
Yeah, because I know of someone who just finished school. In fact, she had a very beautiful job, but because the student visa is over, she's finished with she has already graduated, she has to go back to Ghana to go and obtain a visa before coming back. And unfortunately, she didn't get the visa. So it's a very sad situation. Let me ask this question, Lawyer Francis.
Yeah.
Those obtaining visa from Ghana to come and then sorry, 1 minute. Sorry, I was interrupted by one of my producers. Okay, so those of students coming from Ghana to obtain visa, to extend their visa. Let's look at this way. In case you finish your course, and probably you have before, from now, let's say from now till July, we have a couple of months. If you finish the course probably maybe this February and your visa run out, is there any possibility that with the new scheme coming up, you can wait and then apply, or you'll be, I mean, your visa obviously expires, so they will take it that you've expired your visa, so you can, or you will not be eligible to apply after July?
Okay. A good question, because this question has been bothering my mind as well. Okay. And I did a bit of research on that if once you guys are bringing, the Home Office are bringing the scheme, and they said it's going to take effect on 1st of July 2021, yes. And I am here, and rather unfortunate, I finished my uni somewhere May, which is not...
a month away.
Yes. About a few months away to the 1st of July. Can I do something about it? And when I read much about it, it tells you that no, you wouldn't qualify, you don't qualify for that. Wow. On the basis that we are introducing this program in such a way that we want to help the graduate who completes their course from 1st of July upwards. So one thing I look at it, I realize that, but there is a good thing they've incorporated in their policies, that if because of the COVID, you can't come to UK to do your course, but you've enrolled before July 1st, 2021, and you're doing distance learning, that one they will consider as an opportunity. But as soon as there is your distance course is, or you can make your way to UK, you have to come and continue your course here in order for them, if you plan to apply for the graduate visa scheme. The reason why they are doing it, they consider this is because due to the COVID situation, most of the international students could not come to UK and be physically here doing their courses. On that basis, they are doing it online from the remote, being their country of origin. Exactly. So as such, they're anticipating if the COVID comes down and you are able to travel to UK, you have to do it. Okay. In order for them not to say you weren't in UK, so we can't give you if you want to apply for graduate visa application. So we need to take note of that. But if you completed your course before 1st of July 2021, you are not eligible for the graduate visa scheme application.
Okay, so that means you'll be taken as overstayer in case
yes.
Okay.
It's rather unfortunate they will use that word, overstayer.
Right. Okay, so I know maybe like you said, there are other ways that they can obtain it, but that will be after the policy or the scheme has started in July.
Yes.
Okay, Lawyer Francis, thank you so much. I know my viewers and listeners also got few questions that they would like to ask. So it's exactly 10 o'clock. This is GN Radio Legal Hour with Bwf Solicitors. Sisia ye besisa ya no kakra ede akọ ya yekro mu kasa minim say ye twɛn de. Yo ene ade a ye besuso ho ye senior student a ye wie school wo krom ha anase ma ya be school krom anase afe kra na ye be school krom ha enkan no ana befa nsɛ mri bi kakra etwemu sɛ wo be school ha ubetumi a renew u visa ne saa nso unya settlement da even udi 100 years school kra na there is no way you can get settlement on so same bia ebia wafa wawari obi anase no kra no enhihye wo ho nanso nyame adom July ebe aba ne se uwie school a ye be ma o ye ka ne sen emre na wo de aye adwuma kakra akodu be 2 years enka no nanka those times no ya ma wa bi okra 16 hours a week wo wie ye na park onioma na kofie da na wo graduate ye na no say wo park onioma na wo ko krom na sisia ne de policy ana say scheme fofra ba no ebe free July busome no so no wo wie school na aban be ma ho kwan na waye adwuma be mfie mienu ansa na chese wo de akeka ho na waboa oman no ansa na obekofie a wakọ na oho no na lawyer 𝗟𝗻𝗚𝗏 oho no kwan kakra de dada nchen a chese obetumi afaso na wo de enya asetena na kwan na de dada nchen no ochirechire mu nti se bibi tiri wadwen na se still a upe mpensempenso a lawyer nko ye oda so ewa ha ye wo ha kodu 11:30 nti kwan da ho mesra mu madaroma ene me line na endi 514 no ene enye adwuma ene mesra mu enye adwuma because code na ye de connect my system no obi by mistake eyi code na free anti wo fresh a number na mean to me emfa na nkoba ne say manfa wo call we de mesra mu o test dey a metumi akan ama na nso o send voice note ana o fresh so a me pamocho na mana end 154 no enye adwuma nti owura wo fra o number 8916 no me are very very sorry I can't pick it from there. You have to call the other numbers. No why Mr. Remo wow number ending 8916 no number say di dwuma no 0203735820 and I say 0203286018 na WhatsApp number ba ko pe na ye di dwuma no 0778793998 Mr. Mo Madam Ro munhya ne nsoma me why eno pa na ye di dwuma no yo Lawyer Francis ye nkoso sisi ano ye mfa ne se mabe school krumu ha na menya ye me shift ko ye kan say school no na abefa ne say sponsor me na mabe school mu ha me be ye bia education na me buy no me call school mu ho introduction ya that me say education e dey ama me ebe dreni me ana say kwan bi so no ebe ye dey ama me ana kwan bi so no embia na me hu subject fofra me pese eno mom na me pese me ye ana say memfa ebo ba kumbo ade mi no na say school na me ba no me hu say me hu course bi mo school fofora me pese me nyanka mekọ akoye sa course no sa school no lawyer sa ade we ebe me koye ni sa na ebe ha me wo me extension of my visa ana say emfa nsusu aso bia embre me mpacho adaroma.
Your MANYE team does say for such question, and you won't call a bordering of mind. Other crop for more muti share no, or more dream will say, now, Abia may be so course move way mono, may so mono, Mamus and me Jimu, me person may share other course in Amakonia be saying a mayano. Yo, oh, share sena, your immigration run is here. Obia ope se oye student ewo kroma no e wo se o follow sa onya obia oye sponsor obe issue ni certificate of sponsorship no ama na odia yes application no because on the basis say the enti omo yes ade we nya ne say omo pese omo say uba kroma no ma. But I now also would abahano. Would this one I went so? Because say you do share institution being sir institution know has to monitor you all the time or activity. And now by lecture na wama. So dear intina wama. Because obey student policies and I said no my baton I ne who say. Yes, sir, said that you uko renew omubeti magajo said now cry ma opportunity no. When this so into answer renew ma into their question how the buy no. So what when your course for be now person switch here. And no so no obesa started as a student obe apply. Into no say sponsor ombeju to mama sponsorship yina omo de mawa na odi make application no. Why? Inti I say unya certificate of CAS, no certificate of acceptance of study. Yes. Why?
Yo, yeah, that's it. Yenya odofobi wa homa ne so ne na mane end 8916. Me nua be man pacho. Ye fra o say na o kase free. Lawyer wa ha.
Hello, good morning, MANYE team. Good morning, lawyer.
Good morning.
Okay, frame it, Kwajo. Kasa be free Wembley.
Pacho koso.
But my question I say, specific lawyer about English test for like for applications, you know.
Okay.
My wife, if Ghana by 2 years ago, now the 2.5 for this and this year, I also could renew for another 2.5. Now, the same test to cry also here.
Yo, Kwajo, share the catch. Mammy Musa, we are British near now. And now you'll be our settle.
I'm a certain patron indefinite.
Oh, are indefinite? Good. Okay. Yo, so share your partner spousal route visa application now. I think the last week or two, make a wasem. A fast person for for a free abroad ever. Inti requirements, you know, so no relationship, English language, financial requirement, and accommodation. Inti sa nyoma na we also meeting na Kwajo pick it back where frima or see English language, you know. Sir nipa na unipa who ka for na di kan back home no na sir yadi kama no 2.5 we try no ba call for renewal Kwajo person who say English language no level ben na e was say meeting the America chair on say Kwajo oba no the A1 e ba ya or renewal or the A2 I was say renew na oya English language at level A2 but me no as a lawyer there me catch my client and I say me catch it here for say a better best ube renew at level B1. Inti hono and ube chak or even to the extent of say ode indefinite and not settlement. Inti sa on to me A2 na ube to on person obey A2 now. Obey to me a B1 no. Send a bear and assume bedroom for settlement. Why? Into Kwajo, your share question now with the other.
Okay, that's a lawyer. Wait to be the B1. I call for renewal no. Instead of A2 no.
Yo, and yes, Anna Mature. The Mature is say, obey to me the A2 no. Obey to me the B1 so as well. But we are B1 now. Onya to say obey settlement.
Okay.
But we are B1 and I say A2 no yet.
Yes, but I option either A2 or B1. Why?
Okay, lawyer, my member mo kakra. Me wo akwenya kakra me ne Trinity College for a year program. Na se o register na o put in you can say application no type o koye na. Amount options are for test no near what say o tro. Na say nanse ne try say ye be bia ma obi no. Yeah, ono nso sa similar to menu abe me die or 2.5 na okwa akọ renew enye indefinite na okwa akọji na oye emaye option emaye ne say A2 pen obetumi atro eye Trinity College for me name other ones no die but emma option say you can choose the B1 to go and to register ewo omoho no but so atimi ase say o choose say mekoye renewal for 2.5 now or 2.5 now koye spouse partner extension now option window I baby ama nko an say A2 no ma window say you have to B1 enti eno sa no na say ono nim say baby ne level 1 obetumi akotro B1 na ye wa other place also okonoko register na because me say Trinity College for ne there amount that option. Enti pacho lawyer obetumi abemu kakra mai.
Yo, kwayo inti me mpese ebe ha no. Onkoye A2. Why?
Kwayo pacho.
Okay. No manati.
A2 no. Why?
Okay.
Yo. Yeah, that's it. Papa.
Na that's a patrol lawyer that's a lawyer so need was it be a quite be because from was it be able to menya sa B1 aye and that's be on onye bi ma obi da na the same but na person come in say ka bi a ko betimi aboa mo na
yo kwajo de tie ni say ejina application a odi ye eso inti say na manyeti ka e no uko Trinity College now upeso okoye sa course na wo the same say me a partner of a person settled a British a year omo de ni yiba say ende ye A2 ko just what you say
I'm a tears here
I know ye na imanyeti ka say Trinity College so far but ye wo adam crofobia omo so yes our course ni bi Adam Crawford no omo de be ma options be bra obetumi say opese wo ye why
okay yo I'm that's la
yo
my team that's you I am strong
yo
bye
aha ye GN radio legal hours so ene da so away opese obisa wo question and I say wo question bi a wo de be ba yen WhatsApp ne so a kwan da ho o de ba mekan fefefe e de amount na lawyer wa ha no we yi ano na edwuma no ayede you can call the number 0203735880 and I say 0203280185 adofo amaba Facebook we ni so nyina nyame nhira mo obi ebisa question be me say where the kind answer no dada wo WhatsApp ne Facebook ne so menua Patricia Foster nyame nhira good morning Robert Wood nyame nhira good morning na uchichi aye Ellis J nyame nhira na ajimai o si good morning family nana edu say bamisre mo share program no anti-doctors edum nyame nhira no si share nana ajimai si share mon koso na mon share John Oman Okran Munshe 𝗥𝗍𝗱𝗏 asunaba abena asuna ansoma nyame enhira wo Bridget odobi kasa nyame enhira wo good morning Isaac Deborah or see what visa is available for those who have completed their program and have overstayed their visa net say or per se if there is any other option ni wa overstay ni visa na any option foforo bi wo ho a obetumi eja wo de atwa ne ho si na lawyer Francis option bi wo ho sa na.
I'm afraid option be any unless what they analyzer who say in case who British ba and now say who relationship with obi awa settle wa hadomo but no kra na nye guarantee say wa koshia sebi obi awa settle e wa hadomo na oni na wo ba but no ni say no mon worry into we program no ofo say uja kola no na ukwa no be ha dwen amama me no to on that basis no ubetimi apply on the Bwf no parent route ubetimi agina so but ye hwe ma wa overstay I was say come back to country why
yo adafo nti obi kra man in reply say the common sense ya bo achi agiman say ono ne common sense kra kire ne say no one because you've overstayed now overstaying nti ne obey ne say emre ne ya so no na wankasa wetu anamon tem
the
fa no
kwan ya be fa so
na wo de afa so lawyer o kan bibi ma ne ye me de say ukoji visa na afa na ubo when you're school no ukoji we de ubeka say ye can opportunity or scheme after July now so say yes the visa that will permit you to come before you can come and pursue the course and then of course you have those privileges enti no yan hwe ohono so kakra we me ba ya ma me visa no embia menye school uni fefefa me ba abrina afena meba no hona metume ne meyire ne me ma eka me ho ade ba and as I have to come and then find a place settled before I can invite them to come ana se mo akukudro a metumi so mo nyina ade ba na lawyer Francis
yo me da se manyeti yeah because all along na me pese question here drop thank God say one way year ba once na make for a student a graduate you know because Bwf no dependent
yes
dependent ne betimi aye oba ana say e betimi aye oho kafo nti o hwe the way our my student visa no say o ba be sua de e wa ha na on application no waka say me wo me ho kafo a ana say me wo me ba bia o depend wo me so a we less than 18 na me pese oba bia akwaija wo yensi ukwan as long as we betumi afford omo home office fee IHS ni de keka ho no ena oba ombenya ba bia atena ewo kroma no omo betumi aka ho aba but ombe your application separately enye se omo nyina na omo no ndie ne beye omo ya no maka se omo depend wo me ho kafo a wanya student visa no nti de ade be ma no enoa na omo de be ma omo nso why
yo la Francis na say Matthias because me nua ba bi nso the question bi ato ama me oye nurse ni na onti say sa programs yeah I ba so obetumi aba for sa your friend is saying skilled workers and I say yes skilled workers application you know na ni ono ni de ni problem an say owonia ba ne maame sebi okowo mo last born no na ono nso enyim your girl no ono nso nyim na ne maame kowo mo last born na owo ye na ka baby just within that month na ono nso so oba no owo ye enti no ofa ne nua na wenya less than a month no eka ne ba no ho na ohwe omo ono no atete omo anti no hu omo kra obeka so omo ye ntafo watete omo a masisi a no menya I think 7 years omo chese ono ana ohwe omo na obisa se okoje visa ibi opeso oba ha na obetoa obeye nurse dwuma na okope visa ibi na oba na se de ne ba ne beka ho a ne nua na ono nso afa ne se ne ba no otomedi ono nso ka ho se ne ba na ana se also prove DNA and those kind of things and also atu na adwendwen because ontumi nja akwala ba ko no mfa ba ko pe emba enti obisa me na misi we de me bisa me lawyer no na ya bubu yitima hwe kwan a eda so a obetumi afaso lawyer
yo me da say yeah koba embassy bibi a friend dependent so dependent no una o say o kire say akola ya mi jan wo Ghana yi obi en ho obehwe no me na o depend wo me so inti say unua ba no betumi a kire say unua no oni ho me na ma hwe ne ba abesi sesebra na akwan ja ba me say menya adwuma e wo abrochire next me koye adwuma no inti mintumi nja akola no me nya obi a me di akola no beja akwan ja wo ho say ubetumi a make akola application on the basis akola ni depend wo so but no I was say prove ni o ma bebre kwa e bi ni say relationship no and I make no ubetumi a kire with DNA but enya compulsory say o say we DNA okay as long as you timbi prove say akola ni depend wo so no and only one thing at the end the main important thing I was say we show share home office why okay. And at least we application no for when you're nursing you know sponsor no money ya where say who will be our depend also in this case no sponsor no bet me agi license some na cover sa nipa no as well dependent no why
okay lawyer Francis yeah that's it yentie me nua bi asend ni message di aba yentie no na yenhwe.
Hello, MANYE T. We need lawyer nyina mamu. Good morning. Me pacho me kunu British by birth. And me joining in her 2012. Now, my sister odi mechi 4 or nursing training second year e wo Ghana. Na me pese me kunu e man invitation enka obe hase. Na me kunu na wo mortgage na adwuma no so ekoyie kakra ntimpese o man invitation no na me bisa lawyer say na ya mamre mu no me sister ketwa ye me kunu eyere ketwa nti home office on be man kwan ama wo no na wa man invitation na ase wenye ne yere ankasa no na afenso time ben obetimi start processing no fi say July na me pesa me sister no ka oba na form bay na obefele na afi supporting document be na me kunu de beka ho na me sister no nursing training no so e de beka ho na wa submit na ni nyina chi no with this pandemic you know home office ebe grant invitation ama no ana me da se nyame hyiram bye bye.
Question here sound familiar na me nim ne nti
about last week
me nim ne
about last week
abano
okay
lawyer ni emri ewo ho me gidi say mbia say o de ba no na oni ho beti na o de aba yenti.
Good morning, MANYE T. Good morning, Lawyer Francis. About chow me were 2 questions via me person me busa. Me din de Owusu. Na me ye national. Ana maware obia or 2.5 family permits. Na mpese me hu say metimi aswitch e de EU nkrata no aware no. And my second question so here me kofa me babai say when you 3 years I wa hanum say enti me pese me hu say no so metimi apply British passport amana that's it.
Okay, Lawyer Francis yenhwe no ne de ne
yo kwamna de no obisa say obetimi asweche one obi Nehoka for worry, Onokuta 2.5.
Yes.
Yeah, obey to me as to a check. Obia Bibia and Siniquine, but I was say omiti requirement, you know.
Okay.
So, Bessa or your application, Emma or Bana. Why? It's a requirement in a relationship requirement, you know. It's obey here, marriage certificate, or they bear, yes, pa me kwamna me ne me hoka for our and only evidence to show the relationship. And oba so na we say what say otikroma no mo and no so no I was say what be a friend residence requirement and also no proof of address be better say or no otikroma no mo. Why? It's on that basis, you know, so switching no EU line or FI EU settlement scheme now. Obey to me, aye. Why? Bibi and seen quite.
Okay.
And on the second question, no, and Kaminyana can make put no questions be answer my answer.
Oh, where you send a voice?
Oh, okay.
Or send a voice.
I mean, looking in general.
Okay.
Because me person me committee me confine me who one answer.
Martin.
On the basis I also confine about 3 years every Ghana ba. Now obisa say or your application a debe no benya. Dia na me can say me person me hu dia nka onu kuta say. Say ebia okuta settled or pre-settled.
Okay.
So
yes, makes a difference.
Say limited leave or indefinite.
Yes.
So kuta limited leave akula ni benya limited leave ni bi.
Okay.
So kuta settlement because akula ni less than 21 or no subenya settlement ni bi. Why?
Okay. Yo,
that's what I can make a question. Maybe say dey no kuta wo kroma say.
Nanka, o de amana answer. Yes, o tie dia na on friend na on baby sa question no. Na me say didi dwume. Na me callers ndodo na wo he. Me fa na me say Akati 0203735880 and I say 0203-2AC0185 and 077-879-39958. Lawyer, obinso the question maneme. Say oba kromo na ni visa or person ko be sa sandwich courses CB. Na say sandwich courses there. Aburu so 6 months.
Yeah.
Enti no bisa say enti oba no be ya. Ono nso tumi ejina so de pay adwuma ne bisa na onya visa no 2 years ni bia na say ene de enka ho bi because oba enti
yo man me da say bibia wuti ase no eno ti ne wo ma
yes
I was say obusa pa yo me de say wo ka o qualify ni say a sandwich program ye nyina enim say 6 months. Inti about 6 months now, the obey no, we I'm afraid say we say we'll come back to Ukro. Why?
Yeah, Samo. Was he a post name now? You who post name now? You name says that student visa. You best be a shame pa because I know a lot of people really want to come to school. And because me share say me baby so me person no crown so oba na obe school ha na ye share sponsor na say onya school na or say obi so enya can say statement ni those things at the council no be hwe na akọ school na say no ho no enshada for student application ho mpacho
yo manyati ho no me de say we say yisa nyoma enu ntina ye kọ no questions ni ba na eba because omega say and when ya me student here I was here doing say over UK ha enfa na abetina sir and before so me de be ma on be assess we nyina your friend no bibi say maintenance requirement say student visa baby obesua there no e wa land na the rate no mo de hwe na different e wa asa land na rate mo de hwe no e different say we say meet that maintenance requirement no inti say na wo ka no say bia ono woni sika bi obetimi a sponsor e we say meet that requirement no baby obesua there no say third party bi so na best sponsor na being the parent and now say obi fufro ni na e we say nipa ni show that on the basis the oya juma the statement the payslip ni na say for to show say sika no wo ho a so ba obetumi di sponsor no why manyeti
Enti no sa no I said normal visa now also show ni statement ni ten and the place of bed dani ade. Eh be yiro we bia wo kita 2 bedroom wo ma na obi so ba. Oh man, yes, asemo. Ne nyina kwanda hotie for me see say ne tie bia home office for money emfasro yes you ne on befa for. 0203735820 and I say 020328600185 obetumi afre WhatsApp line so na we bisa wasem na yetie ama. Lawyer Francis yentie wen so.
Good morning, my tea. Good morning, Lawyer Francis. About me were 2 questions via me person me visa. Me din de Owusu. Na me ye national. Ana maware obia.
Manyati we na boy na me explain.
No, sorry.
Yeah.
Good morning, Lawyer Francis. Me pacho na me question is say me 10 years route na me partner Lawyer Francis or church na e be say I don't know almost 10 years na ABS so ko renew na 6 months ABS it take 4 months answer the more the amount first one second one so it take 4 months and now 5 months normal the amount me pacho ni na account take 10 years na say share biometric na mo the amount no say ewu answer na ABS akwaje indefinite and na person bisa that's it. Bye bye.
Okay, say question we be last week dey ni bi. Lawyer Francis.
Yeah, but all they say mama answer my tea for in case be tia. Yo, there new question here what they about no person who say you do to 10-year route now. Now who co renew our application now. Let's say we second time or third time. Na ni nyina no ekoche wo home office ebi di 4 months ebi di 6 months and sana decision aba opeso who say account part of the 10-year route na say there be the mechanic say account part of the 10-year route no in the basis say home office na delay ade na nya wo.
Okay,
in this case no so to me work it out say from day one no ye ma wo visa no from 2012 now could the home office of 4 months, 6 months, 10 months. Now to make a cutting boom, nature say what the 10 years were, so route in this one. On chairman biometric was no expiring date no. On chairman and sana wako apply for indefinite and settlement. As long as we bet me establish from day one no, your mommy from 2012. Me feel say me qualify for 2022.
Okay, yo, Lawyer Francis, that's say. Yen san ko yen topic ni nso biom enam student visa no. Yen shada hu the minimum way no apart from sandwich course ne there you say a sandwich but minimum years now of study no because and yenta maybe sasa no. There is this course, very fine course, be a Mijidi say Bebwa Ghana for, especially those who want to pursue further in education. No? Now duration here just 1 year. And you know, say obi enya such student, when you such visa application, when you such application, when you such visa na, course no babe no duration here 1 year penal. Oba I think say undergraduate course because it's not master program but undergraduate course. So oba no be yes we na still with just 1 year minimum no. Anani maximum obe to me e dey aye sa extension ni bi aye dwuma 2 years account. And now say ye wo minimum years of course I say we ye and sana you qualify for that particular 2 years no. Lawyer Francis.
Yo, me da say oze make no make a requirement me bo bibia can say it should be say we study what higher education provider into the who can say 1 year no babe no say a higher education provider na a man years our course na bibia see the kwan say obe apply for graduate visa scheme application. Why?
Yo, Mati. And you're gonna for what to do? Maybe betons are course now, Mamopa. Yo, Lawyer Francis, you're not the phobia of humanism, maybe funny is here, and the entire Americans and on say international students, no mobile fees, no a modo. It is say 14,000 said there will be 3 years now. Kaish. Not just say, oh, it is at least over year wait 1 year, not still I'll be a graduate there. Why not? So, my dear, you order for one master. Your friend said now, Casa free.
Pacho, your friend me Kwejo, me Casa free with modern.
You, Pacho, Casa you.
You're already a lawyer, a damase, a ne Jumapa moye at the boy. Pacho, whether Makofa me ba aba na yamano indefinite. Now, wababe do 2 years ewo krumu hadada. And person me bis me ankasa me British. Person me bisa say tambe na made to me amano I apply for British passport. Where the 18 say.
Okay, La Francis.
What's what this say 18?
18.
Or 18 say.
Okay, yo, Kwajo dear, me can say Obana okuta indefinite, you know. Yawo bibi wa ha your friend of British Nationality Act 1981. Eka say upe say uye British niya ekwan we so na was say udi so answer. But before the who can say tambe no be to me apply for British passport, you know. And no na me pese me chire mu say I was say what naturalize say or your British ni answer na what me apply for passport, you know. Why?
Okay.
In this case, you know, I step by step. First, say okuta indefinite leave. And I may assume say why Ghana ni.
Pachai.
Yes. It also who say the nationality say okuta upon indefinite no leave no or Ghana ni. Inti was say. But okay, bibi.
I'm Pachai or Ghana ni.
Yo, inti why Ghana ni no. So person why British ni was say we making application via your friend of naturalization on the basis the age, you know, 18. It we 18 upwards we adult so we adult nationality.
Okay.
And on your mind was say meeting say we obia or your sound mind in terms of character. And we 18 upwards. And a biom suno I was say we bibia your friend of life in UK. And only talking about UK, amamre any UK history, nina se for no. I was say we nuocha. And I say we English language as well. This time no English language, I was say level B1. And I was say what you say when you're on the indefinite, you know, on free chroma more than 2 years.
Okay.
Into all these things, so yes, our requirements, omitting these requirements, now we're making application, a online application, for naturalization. Now, home office fee, no, I think it's 1,330. Utia said anywhere, or Musham Yanko, Yana Dom, now or man on naturalization now. But Obekwa swear and also play allegiance to the Queen for the ceremony. Into our ceremony now, and son of my issue the certificate, you know. Now, friend of my Gina to say, why you're British in his say. Into where you're British in here, and fair now, British passport, you know. To apply for British passport. But British passport, they depend on the number of pages. A beer on the price will be paid for. Into we are online now. Ube choose say upe more pages or not. It be ranging from 36, 42 pages above. Ni now on the price ube tuya. Into all these things who go through now opeso okuta British book a non procedure obe faso from indefinite to British passport. Kwajo what it?
Oh, send the line article, but me jidi say obeti 𝗟𝗿𝗱𝗂𝗏. Enya sa kwadwo obetumi asa afrebium. Why? Kafra say o line article obeti obisi me nsambobo na mes ne so mane bium. Mesremo na mes ne 0203 735 8820. Mesan aboy no so bium 0203 735 8820. Ana say ubetumi nso afre 0203 286 0185. Your WhatsApp number so it will be a free Ghana ubetumi nso afra eno o de plus 44 ne esoso anache se wabobo 077 879 39958. Mesan isubium 077 879 39958. Yes, ube to me afraid lawyer many obi wa manus na pacho twen me 1 second me ba o say good morning Manyeti. Good morning lawyer Francis, please. I would like to know which forms will a child born in the UK to EU parents use to acquire a British passport, and how much will it cost? And the questioner Odia Abeni, lawyer Francis Wadaroma.
You also a child born in UK. Maybe I don't see question you see.
To EU parents. Now, maybe sorry. A child born in the UK to EU parents use form Benobe used to apply British passports, and how much does it cost? One can British citizen or say British passport.
So question way and yet the straightforward obenya straight answer.
Okay.
The entire America say a child born in the UK. Tama ya akola no EU parent no not there no kuta.
Okay.
Because hono na I was say establishing.
Okay.
So EU parent no kuta bibia ya limited leave.
Yes.
Want to me apply for
the British passport or
passport
British,
now or come no.
That's fine.
So a situation say ya wo akola no na EU parent no bako settled.
Yes.
Kuta indefinite. Hono na obetumi apply for British passport no.
Okay.
Inti no say no so ya British passport na aya online application na I was say woye. Inti woye online application or call www.gov.uk/passport application. Inti ebe yi sa form na free website no follow instructions what media fail it. Why?
Okay.
But it depends on American passport are open pages no na betre how much you going to pay for it.
Yes.
In the na me pese make say na because maybe I will be choose say me pay 34 pages and now me pay 42 me pay and no better how much
you pay
for. Why?
No you lawyer Francis here that's here. What of we want man say hello call and pacho a higher GN radio legal hour. Your friend saying na o kase free.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
But from Bernard.
Yo, Bernard, pacho biswa samne unko ai.
But Mr. Lawyer they say a Ghana a ordinance marriage a certificate now. Na a divorce. I don't know about that time. It is I don't know so bad now.
That time I did Jawar American.
What I say?
Time I did Jawar American there or there damn time so bad.
Okay. I don't know about ordinance marriage certificate now.
Okay. Now Francis.
All right.
Yo Bernard dear Tiani says who ya marriage certificate now say who ya for say what worry. And now say what worry pen na we divorce here. Normally, omo aya omo ya no. Omo timetro say divorcee so. But entre omo mfa time a ujai and also worry a weja no so. And no the omo fa so. Why?
Okay then. That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Yo, Lawyer Francis, questions no be breba na eba. Yentie me nua ban so de.
Hello, Manyeti. Obahima who Fedria. Let us say, Francis, now want to say, Yada Masine Juma more bomber community. I mean, Shram, Moya de Pa Monkoso. But my first question, there, Francis. My sister be a permanent resident under, all regular 2016. While applying the EU settlement scheme indefinite. Now, all Bao Ghana. Pacho Nebano, our Ghana, no Baso Kofaneba, so home. To be so go ne ba sana eti na mbese mbusa say home office fee say I say to kan me no bo ma say na kam be mama and the lawyer fee ni say to ada mama me hu I no home office fee na IHS ni the way sitting ne kai wo na me hu ada ma. Secondly, but also resident card na permanent resident. That's why application for EU settlement. That's your mau email correspondent. No one will leave no online. She said what's all apply for EU settlement scheme card now because by 31st, 30th, you almost say resident card, permanent resident card, and a family member of union citizen. And yet you may be valid to be an EU card. Then no crave one.
Noise na I hope so when your questions Nadia.
Yeah. Mami started with the second question, no.
Okay.
Sir onya EU permanent resident and EU settlement scheme nibi. And my brand email no. Na email no person who say I was on the card EU settlement scheme card ne kan one na said there be. Yo, dear, Atiane say, Omo introduce you, sir, EU settlement scheme, no. The Omo Manya in Tiasiane say, sir, Ukuta permanent resident, now make application for the scheme now. Because Ukuta permanent resident card, no, under the old regime, no, 2016, no. A year, se card new ya, Omo umbrella card fufro. Until say no person or renew no and no now be change aba EU settlement scheme card na a better indefinite leave to remain so no. Into him the new idea okay. Fine, because of kuta permanent resident no. The other man on any decision no on the email paper form. But on your card for fraud.
Okay.
Yeah. And I answer the first question, no.
Okay.
And no, me nyana can me put the questions be answer na metimi answer on the basis or say okuta permanent. But hono permanent no nya no. Or EU family member na say or EU national name.
Okay, and one can.
That's it. So it is a hono na Senko EU, me fan in general.
Okay.
So EU national, when you're permanent, maybe I say I don't think I won't use one EU route no non fan banema.
Right.
And no your first stage, and no one to your home office fee, but maybe lawyer fee need your magic. On to your home office fee, on to your IHS, and only a whereby or your EU need. Fine. Yeah, sure whereby or your family member for you need. Still only you need no other sotiho. And no bet to me on me no bet to me as I make application under EU route nibium akofa akolana ba. It is one say my scenario me no.
Yes.
Family member and I say EU national album. But a situation whereby no okuta permanent no one EU no any hobio. And also a different scenario. And only a third option a mede mano. And no na IHS. And no na home office fee bebemuno.
So ne EU ni hobio ma.
That's it. No kuta permanent na.
Okay.
Into no BB application be under Bwf no sole responsibility.
That's right.
Yeah. Immigration Rules paragraph 297.
Okay.
Into one on to your high HS fee because our plan less than 18. but obetia home office fee.
Okay.
And no na 1,523. And I know because I said lawyer fee ube whom you make one sem.
Send it lawyers no.
Indeed, these are the scenarios I was so mommy who my digest I chen say otimi say or da so ni EU ni ti ho a o metumi use EU route no rather than so obeba immigration rule a ebema na boka
no correct.
Inti one share no mommy who so otie me a on get it back to us no mommy who say either da so ni EU ni da so ti ho and now say one nti obiom
lawyer Francis here that say obi nso wa homa ne so na landline ne etie ne say ogina so more than 2-3 minutes pe na no ato enti ye hwe say o landline so hello kolampacho o da so ho a me enti unka e fra say na o say friend
hello mpacho kwajo na masanso afrei
okay wo na ukọ ne kate yo kwajo
mpacho na mpese me bisa say me ba no obaye no wenya 2 years ewo krom ha but Ghana near man indefinite no the buy now obetumi after the process of naturalization and also check atra
your your process of naturalization now so when you're British near now we others are being say akola and answer what attain or one naturalization through the procedure. The TN say I was trying for 1 year after your indefinite and then I apply for naturalization.
Oh, okay.
Into the whole can say no the naturalization buy into obey to me apply at any time. Why?
We try 2 years since.
Pacho the indefinite in a buy and we try 2 years
on the indefinite. No, I did 5 years for
there we were 2 years.
Yeah, careful because that Emrano, the indefinite bar now in the 5 years for Chroma on the basis if I am indefinite leave to enter. Problem they said they're expecting you to be 5 years and son apply for naturalization. Otherwise, somebody refuse application. Why? Unless you're married to a British citizen. Why?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. And I'm Pacho, many answer me Mr. Question where man. Nikun Ghana na opese nikun eba but ono amuno onye ejuma like a student. And the professor visa says savings money in monetary requirement saving money say na kumbi here to meet the requirement because ono onye ejuma.
Mami Musa say ono asitina ben okutawa.
Or indefinite. Or Barney indefinite. Pajai.
Oh, okay. Now, new crony situation. Akola wom.
There be akola name.
And as I say, or a student.
Or Barney a student, but Berman or Ghana, but Berman need your year Jumos Kakakra or Ghana.
Oh, okay. Because normally such application, OTA last week, the near Kana, financial requirement near straight. On the basis, I was say we meet 18,600. Unless benefits be a back cascade you say you shouldn't meet the 18,600. Baby is saying benefits be just a disability living allowance, carers allowance, disablement allowance in for, and our PIP, personal independent payment allowance. Into these benefits, and only saying about who will be now who enjoy you don't need to meet the 18,600. So on that note, send the students now I was say or making sure say or way or meet 18,600. Why?
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lawyer. Many abe me so gyina so ache de. Yay. Kwadwo kafra loyalty will be so awesome.
Mayati. Masa baby. Really a quick one. Kind of saying, life in the UK now.
Yes.
We go from indefinite 2014. Now financial, kind of say, you be in the realm, parental requirement now. And a realm. And the next year, now the thing is I say, over then be apply for naturalization now. But then who say I life in the UK now. Because I don't remember say be I'm letter for a pass
Life in the UK no try say amount certificate.
And I mean, Kai say be a movie the
because I know they spy, it doesn't expire. Think I say unya reference number ne kura. Na lawyer Francis Mpatoma menja ma mbia o ada.
No, but that right here, you know, no, because as far as you're aware, no life in UK no and expire. It is helpful, sir. Why you be now who certificate? You bet me are requesting for another one, but the TN sir definitely. I was a walk copy, and now baby I'll call you no. I was from them. Why?
Okay, you Mate. You want me to say?
Yes, okay. Oh, a day or my question be on any say, oh, beside need the mammy okay. Lawyer, nkoso ye wo questions bebre wa ha ye answer na ye mre na so na maybe a mekai media no. Okay, yo yen hwe ye nua be man so di. O say good morning Lawyer Francis, good morning MANYE TEÄ. O say the requirement for 2.5 10 years children's route still the same amidst COVID? Do we still need the school and GP letters? I understand it's now done online. Is it right? I'm a health worker for the NHS. How do I apply for the exemption of the NHS fee? Is there a link I need to follow? My 3-time renewal is due in August. What will be the right time to start the application, please? Questions in there. What she said, na does ye. La Francis in fact, wadaroma. Ye.
Ne question I'll be so when he said, why a parent of a person settled or a qualifying child? Inti or original show no day any renewal. No say when in the 3rd time, and I'm a boy. Inti, yeah, the 3rd time no. And what she said questions in Ibebre, Bini say, sir, a far new mouth the bear the renewal no. Or person who say, Yadasoji school letter and GP letter na Yadasoji to show relationship no and how all contribute towards Akolani life. Inti honey say no, and also a year Juma say also providing all these documents. And I be almost no work say health immigration health surcharge, or a health worker na of course or qualify for exemption or na sign obey to me this exemption no. The TN say Home Office this our policy by Boris Johnson announced so far the econ say I was who apply through HR. And your lawyer nebe ya amount. Into who do details more, they will send it to the Home Office. Now, Home Office exemption, no, or mudia, oh, yeah, application now, or move to me, Eddie every honor. Why? And I know a person who said, nay, they live no bear spy August. Into a person who time I was saying, well, yes, application. No?
Yes.
Normally, so when the last decision by I never catch you said 28 days before say we leave bear spy. Now, also say untimi, and as also say what you remember how is best say ubeyan in term near how uhuno. August, man, term August nation. Let alone June, July. Into in term, send a beya ubenya decision in term.
Okay. Yo, lawyer, that's say yamre no ya bikra kayan just 3 minutes near sorry and answer. Na Mr. Muamuti tune in new radio ne so no Mr. Madaroma ye born 11 na ebekati akonete say ye nimu ewie na so Facebook ne de ye best Lawyer Francis obeche ye be 5 minutes bi we chiri na or de amayen last note answer na wa sorry akwa into hono you can switch from the radio no akwakotie Facebook and YouTube ne so why Mr. Mo tune in the a scheduled time inteno de yentumi nya ho hwe no abekọ automatically inteno lawyer before maybe some question back me wo menua ba bi ewa ha o peso bisa na me boni de ma me bisa me de na answer one student visa no sisi a menim say courses ne bebre wo Ghana nyame adom ye bie private universities bebre wo Ghana enti enkoba ne say wo hu fine course bi wa ha a wo pese wo nya wo auntie bi na wo sister penin bi wa ha o si obepia weti ko kakra na wo pese wo be na wakoya application ayembia o monko ka say course na wo ba be pursue no embia 1 yetia anase number 2 ye bi wo Ghana nti sign na ye Ghana na enkoba ne sa and now say they can still once it's a course a university here that you want to come and pursue they will just grant you the visa and pacho
yo manya ti me da say wo share student visa no butaye wo mu na omo de two journey say we also be how because me British education
okay
so obi how because me Ghana education ena obia nsi ukwan baby our choice ewo inti abasa na home office nso eni kwan se o mbeka cho say bi wo Ghana ntitina wona ye wo Ghana as long as obenya sponsor obey issue ni licenses amount being the cast certificate of acceptance of study no no ma ho kwan eno na odi be make application no e di aba be sua wa de wo kroma
yeah, that's it. And it's for ya to edu because me the minim say little I know in the education they say university say wahano omodo international students no omo po masem say so come because usika ne modu so ade no enti no yen take these chances na yen apply yen hwehwe nkrofo na omo piapia omo mfa omo hwan enka so mbeboa yen ne ade na yen pursue courses ne because say busiampo na wo ba nyame ya wadum na wie course na 2 years obetumi enya na wo de abo adwuma kakra so ade no na wo de bi etwitwa ho na wo de bi etwetwa ho aka enti it's a great opportunity my ntwetwe ye na sekra Ghana for moma ye mfa sa opportunity na ye pursue na me gidi se Ghana ye wo sika enti dodo na betumi a sponsor ma ya be school abrochire ye ntie we nso ya ansa na ya sorry ye na nso na ye ko.
Good morning, Majeti. Good morning, Francis. Someone will be suffering yama, my young Jumanti, unto me, and na or say, or cofa ne ma me nu ado maba, sebe 1.5 years ni. Our moye dependent on him, cause or no ye uni. Now, send a mano kunu no Ghana, nka opese. Omo okofa omo ba enti uhwa na omo tete ho mu ni made but ye di bronya wie ya na omo ye omo ho ade officially wo Ghana ho nti no peso hu se obetimi asupporto ne ma no amoma kofa omo kunu no aba na abra ne ma no eda so ye dependent on him enam EU rules nti se ubetimi aboa no so de nyankopon ejamo bye.
Okay, la Francis.
Yo Manyeti, such questions na as a lawyer you careful in terms of your answer.
Okay.
So either say net or not say net here. The entire makers are saying good and I say me done as pass or car say be a friend with dependency. Because the TN say you buy a protocol say more English more you can so be a dependent on someone. The tier one is a Nipana dependent wo ye national ne so. Until say or dene hono. Until me enjoy ka say oh me de me ho. Inti me pese me yet nyoma bi say me pese me kofa waiver me kofa waiver ne nasifo because yenka who say dependency the way our home office and I say emrani city no omo pese omo hu say wo no a depend wo yie national no ni bibia mu na ayema no o na yema ho nti wo sound ho na afo say ukofo obi without a year nti first place wo nye yiu ni wo ye yiu ni abusua wo depend wo yiu nti wo need to me say ukofa ohukafo the to me obenya ni say when you we indefinite when you we indefinite what wo ho because their requirements be ye ka say ono ne put an answer ono ne dependent na meet here want me
okay
na home office abadi ababe we say na say we depend wo papa on and I say we ye national I don't know person akofa ukunu abra ukunu no wo nye yiu ni abetimi agina so akofa obi aba nti esa na we dependent no dependency na ebetwa na one year wo no after 5 years no won't mean call for indefinite because the anti amato me bo explain the dependency situation you know because I seem say anti asie ye
yes
obi a wo depend wo obi so o pese e ko for obi ba
obi so a wo depend
abra wo nan si obi nan so
sa na tie
it is remo a yenya careful about the way explain dependency no into the mechanic say want to mean kofa ne hu ka for ma until say wanya ne indefinite what ne ho a one ye dependent or you ni no biom why
okay lawyer Francis ya tie ase say emre no aso esisi a ye free radio no so ye wo ye kan say Facebook ne YouTube ne nko aso enti no me hu so obi afra we dey mesraw mentumi emfa course bi abium na ne tie ne say me nua ba bi bisa question and the question e wa yie enti no mepa ne cho me promise no nyame adoma ochna the community and the law no baso enti no I'm going to forward the question no emema menua bema oreku because question e wana se ne wa papa mu no na che se ehia se lawyer beto ne bo ase na wa cheche mu ma amansa nyina ate ase na emre enso emma yen ho kwan yemre ne 11 o'clock enti no se yemfa emba ewiye Madam say ochna the community and the law baso Bwf Solicitors for website ne so and also mo Facebook live or YouTube live no baso ochna 4 to 6 p.m. for 2 solid hours or hono na say lawyer nya emre na utumi echeche nyoma bebre mu ma eto aso mo ntino mesre wo amentumi I'm can o question na ana se mentumi ambo audio na de buy no nyame adma ochna ye bebo ewo honom na lawyer gina so na ode acheche nioma ewo mu no ase munhye ne so 4 to 6 the community and the law mo ba Facebook ne so a mepa mo cho enidie mo na mo beye amana ye fe nti ana mo share because question bi a ebefa mu say sa question ya kan wa asem nti no me kind of na mbisa senti ne pay de bia ye program not owo he na che say onte enti na bisa such a question no enti sa na ye koso ne ye share ma amansa nyina ho a ebenu mremu na afa ye nyina ya abreast with the law ne ye hu whatever is going on na che say ya ma bibi am fire se ebedi ehwam ye beda obi bia otie ye beda na se ansa na lawyer de ne last note beba no mo amoba Facebook ne so nyina nya mensha mo amoba YouTube na mo subscribe to the channel and also sharing no nyame enhira mo nana kantanka o say hello nyame enhira you are watching us from 𝗥𝗚𝗱𝗏 Ghana nana nyame enhira nana kacha nua no ma omo pese omo ko school abroche nyina say kwan da ho eno ase ompe obi a obe pia ne tiko na onye application ompe school ha na school no accept no now the 𝗥𝗍𝗴𝗍𝗂 enye bre kra enti no mumbo hundewuro na ye hia new generation na ye benya abroche mentality ne kakra na de akobu ye ma ene de bia meka because ye enjoy politics no yo lawyer Francis answer na meja wako ene de ne odivejaye ne de na odivejaye say update bia enhye na eni ho de
Updating shared via anyhow, but the Medibeja ETA for this, especially EU settlement scheme. No, Egusua Juma, Inti Yan Shannon, Alpha Yenuanum EU for Modasotia or Munye EU settlement scheme. No, because just and Chabia, I think said no, and no, she was saying, and it happened, say, after June 2021, Home Office and your emergency or mobile extended at Denibium. Emma, even a day call High Court crime or Moko car said no. Imran say June 2021. 1 year, Imran Chu, why you overstay? Intimi Bese, my nuanum a year where EU for Mutia or Munyesa EU settlement scheme, no. Inti omo sending soon says so person would tina hanumo after June 2021 making sure say why a EU settlement scheme nibi. Yo and so what I can say is about today's topic. It has been a fruitful topic for our students or prospective students who wants to come to UK and learn. What I can say is we need to take advantage of such things, especially those who are from the third world country or international students, because such opportunities doesn't come often. What I noticed about this graduate visa scheme is that the UK government wants to attract foreign international students to build their economy. Okay. And this is a route they are creating to help boost, attract skilled workers in this UK economy. So it's best for us to take opportunity of these things in order to help ourselves and help the UK economy. Yeah. Manyati, the mide ebe chatro ni se medawase setembia usoyemu efa programming na Yankopon the chain that's a ne Yebeseshia, and so BWF, the community and the law, no, Baso, into Yebeseshia or Manyati, Medase, Etia for Yadamase, and Yahoo for bye bye.
Bye bye, Lawyer Francis, bye bye. Yo, it's here for Ahana Edi Jumedieno, Aba Evi, Yamisha, Obi Biara, or Dinifidi to GN Radio. Otie sa liga away anase emra ehu achechre na ato asum yedamase wa went to me am kind wo question anase mambo wo audio no fache me mesa pa wo ho cho fache me why na nyame adoma ochina me am forward amma yenua bema wo the community and the law agro no so na we bisa wo ho e de ama lawyers na lawyers here no especially glorious glorious Ajua ma power cho aka o question ewa is a whole notebook into na meant to me ankan into me forward amomo na omo papa mu nti ochina make it a date na tie ewo honom na nya wo mo ai afenso no se eba ne se wo pese wo tro A1 ana A2 ana B1 test na manyati class no course sisi aye bia school into no class no course den kwan da ho obetumi aba ana wa fre 075 075-966-20154 na ye no ato ho hihye nyina na jese wa be ye no akotro test na fefefe na wetu ana mo nyaminti ube pass na fefefe enye problem kra ye nim dodo na ya na ebo mu ho enye hu sa na so ube hu mi a mema okwankyere no menu be fa interview process na jese okwa ube hu ni ti se wo tai so ta wo kwan ho no sa na tie enti no ye koso afenso uyo bia opunim sheda nim computer monso computer na nse ye abane se baby bia obeko bia ye see fill a form on a go online ama ayebisi basa ebia na woni akwala bia o ko school won chen na obechecho niomemu se ne ye fill nioma online no ana oni nuaba ma bi ana oni nuaba bia obefre de bia se bra no be fill form ombe ye usi a manyati ekwan da ho me yes an nyoma ne nyina o frɛ me a mbia forms bi na o pɛ sɛ o fele a ɛkɔ abɛmu ana ɛkɔ baabi biara yɛsi online application no me boa nkrɔfo de bia nti wobɛtumi saa nso afrɛ me ɛkwan da hɔ mɛba ana sɛ mehyia wo ana sɛ wobɛba na kyerɛ sɛ yɛtumi edi saa ho adwuma ne nti no kyerɛ sɛ opportunity we are just trying to help the community. It's all about the community. We are trying to help the community na yɛn so yɛn catch up with the technology na koso no sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a we won't leave anyone behind. Nyame nhyira obi bia mediane MANYE TEÄ na aha GN radio nyame adoma Sunday nso me de omanye aba show ɛbɛbrɛ mu akwan ama yɛn nuanom enkran kasafoɔ no na yahwe nyame adom nso a Sunday eye Mother's Day na Mother's Day this time ye be fa no different way kra because mothers bebre ekukọ okonoma nyoma bi mu a ense emfata senti Mother's Day celebration no ye de be ye ne me jitu a bomode ane share bi Sunday we na ye nhwe na mothers ye ndwendwen ye ho se ne be boaboa ye ho na yetumi 9 esinsi empowering women, empowering mothers, and then development mindset, how we can change our mindset towards certain things. Any basu Sunday way omanye aba show ne so nyame nhyira obi bia mekasa yawa entimanti menken bioma me mamunyina good morning biom bye bye menwom ne kra wo hina membo na yenti